we're here in Florida. We just rolled into Johnny's Ranch. Man, I'm just really excited to get to try out everything this place has to offer. He's got a couple tracks, a lot of trouble to get into here.
So obviously super bummed that Carrie and Lana can't be here this time, but having Trisha and Mallory here, it's gonna be a really good, fun weekend.
Hi, I'm Trisha Dahl. I'm from Montrose, Minnesota, and I'm joining the BTR program. When Royal Enfield reached out to me, I was shocked. I was like, me? Are you sure? Seeing the Royal Enfield trailer and the tent set up and everyone out here, it feels like I'm in a dream.
Hi, I'm Mallory. I'm from Austin, Texas. We just showed up here in Orlando at Johnny's Ranch. So when Royal Enfield originally reached out to me, I think I said yes before I even found out any details about it. I literally replied, yes, 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 and then I was like, wait, what are the dates? Because I need to take work off. That's how stoked I was to be part of this. There's a lot of awesome women, and I'm just excited to learn and race with them, honestly.
I'm just hoping to have a good time. You know, I think Daytona, the surface itself, is going to be completely unfamiliar territory for me. I'm really only familiar with the groove track. You know, having more throttle control and letting the bike slide a lot more underneath me is going to be challenging.
It's going to be slick and slippery, but I think it'll feel probably more familiar to me than that Blue Groove in Atlanta did. Looking forward to getting that big old thing sideways if I can. I mean, it won't be fast, but at least I'll get some good pictures for Instagram.
To the finals here in Daytona. It's been a long road ever since the women received the motorcycles back in November till now. Everything with COVID and the pandemic, things were up in the air and we really didn't think we were going to get this far, but we have. We're here. It's the last race of the season. We knew when we wanted to go racing and have programs, whether it's the AFT program or the Build Train Race program, we wanted to make sure that they felt supported. So we have crews taking care of both motorcycles, but we also have this 18-wheel semi, the tools, the hospitality, the resources. You've got to go big to do it right.
Today, we actually changed gearing to see if I can hit the rev limiter a little bit sooner, and then maybe I can get more drive into the corner.
I think since I was hitting the rev limiter, I was kind of letting off the throttle sooner than I wanted to. And so today, the gearing changes will help me be able to keep it on longer so I can go a little deeper in the corner and be able to have more speed coming out.
After qualifying, I wanted to flip my rear tire. I'd never flipped it, and I could tell I had a lot sharper edges on the other side. There was a little bit of a kerfluffle getting the tire off the rim, and it took longer. Towards the end there, it was almost looking like we weren't going to be ready in time, and it was pretty hectic for sure. But thankfully, Kyle and Eric, they persevered and made sure I didn't miss the start, so I was really happy about that.
I'm taking away a lot from the program. I mean, I've ridden for years in flat track, but learning how to physically work on a bike, you know, handling tools and grinders and everything for the first time took a lot longer than it probably could have if somebody who was really familiar with it. Met so many awesome people from all over the United States. Just an awesome experience that I'll never forget.
I think the biggest thing I've learned from this is like the value of like kind of being an all-around human, you know? Knowing a little bit about how to put a motorcycle together can help you to ride it better. Like knowing how to ride a motorcycle decently can kind of help you to build and tune a motorcycle. I wish I would have known that like early on, like in my road racing career even, like take the time to like understand how it works. It might actually help you figure out how to ride the thing better or tune it better and all of that. So I think that's been like the biggest takeaway.
Would you do this program again?
If you were here running it, I would absolutely come back and do it again.
100%. If I was asked to do this program again, I would 100% participate again.
Yeah, I definitely would. No questions asked.
Oh yeah, I mean, given the opportunity to do this again, like 1,000 times, like I live and breathe for this stuff. Like who doesn't want to get their hands dirty and build a race bike and then go line up and race it, you know? That's the dream.